Hi guys, in this segment we're going to be doing the Army action segment that they have here. They have 3 different virtual reality activities to do. There is a cost. We did a packet of all 3 for $25 each, but then you can add on different ones if you just want to do 1 or 2 different types of them. So this one is the bunker. Virtual reality bunkers, you see it's open. You are able to buy tickets when you get here, so if you decide when you're here you want to do this, you certainly can. Now there is a height restriction where I believe this one has to be 52 inches and you have to keep all the gear on. The other one is a height restriction of 42 inches. If they're smaller, it has to be with an adult. But check out online to make sure. So they're going to be defending the bunker. They are competing against each other, but they're on the same team. So if you notice, this is kind of mechanically defending the bunker. You don't actually have, you're not killing people. Well, that is a little bit higher score. 4 people at a time can be in here. They're just standing in their little quad areas. Gentleman back there, worker. Okay. Looks like Daddy won at 2,252 to Daniel's 1,623. Good job, guys. What did you think?
That was fun. That was cool.
Now this one, because the possibility of claustrophobia, there is a red button inside, and they can see, the staff can see in, but of course you can't see out. Just cleaning it off for us. The guys working here are awesome. They're very polite, courteous, professional.
You guys have motion sickness and have been told we have the fishes. How long does this last? This lasts about 6 minutes.
So my stomach survived the Wings Flight of Courage, which is the pod behind us. What did you think? I had my eyes closed the whole time.
I really liked it. It went through all the different planes through the war. Like, we first went through...
We started with the White Brothers, right?
And then went through World War I planes, then World War II, then Modern War.
Yeah, and then I think I heard you landed on a carrier too, right? At the end.
Yeah, at the end you're in a Blue Angel jet and you land on an aircraft carrier.
Cool. So now they're gonna do, I think the tank, virtual reality Sherman tank. Derek's actually gonna do that, so we're gonna go buy him a ticket for it because we bought them a pack 3 for $25, and then Brad didn't. He's a little claustrophobic, so that pod is about the size of a elevator but shorter, so he opted out, and then I went ahead and went in, and they didn't have a problem, you know, switching stuff up. They were really accommodating here, so I do appreciate them.
And if you get claustrophobic, like you're not sure, they do have an emergency button.
Yeah.
In the middle of the ride. So.
And then my husband was looking at the video, watching me the whole time, and they can actually also see what we were saying too, so it's kind of cool. It's still fine for the other people who are stuck outside that don't want to do it. But let's go get Derek a ticket for this next one.
Arrows your target. Shoot at your target so you can hit it. If you have This is a hands-free game, so you can feel free to hold on to the handle. In
Battle
case
of the
emergency,
Bulge.
you need the right to make.
Did you get anything? What? Snow?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yep, sure. So is there a score? Is there a score?
Yes, at the very initial that there's scores.
Yes.
With the,
Dad was first.
I was second here.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. We also do videos on the museum, cafe, we tour the bookstore, we do a couple different things with the kids' activities. We got World War I, World War II, and some other different things. So make sure you tune in. Thank you.
Watching. Bye.